Okay, so here we have a little bit of bad luck. That's my tire. So we're gonna try to unplug it and be on our way. Okay, step one, before we lose too much air, we're going to get it ready. We're gonna get the plug kit ready. We're gonna get that looped around there, and then we're gonna have our tools ready, and we're gonna be ready to go because air is gonna be coming out, and I can already hear it coming out. Okay, you want to push it through this there tire plugger and pull it about halfway. All right, once you get it halfway through, you want to pull it down like this, so it's like that, like that, and then you're ready to go. Now you're going to take your wrench and get this thing out and then plug it quick. So as you can see, I pulled it out, twisted it off, kind of, because it is a bolt, and now we've started to plug it. It's stopped the air, and now I just gotta push this down, and you want to go till you can see only a little bit, like a quarter of an inch, and then pull it out quickly. Okay, before you do that, we're gonna have a little trouble. We're gonna use this one to clean it out the hole so it fits. All right, so as you can see, we've got it down. There's just a little bit sticking out. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
About a little quarter of an inch.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna rip it off. Okay. Rip it out really quick, and we should be good. As you can see, I lost a little bit of air. Yeah. We should be able to get to the gas station. So let's try this here. You know.
Funny.
Not funny.
Yeah.
So here we go. 1, 2, 3. We got it. And I don't hear any noise anymore. And this will kind of just flatten out, as you can see by my last one. Where is it? Right there. As you can see on my last one, it kind of just flatten out and be good. What's that? Oh, that was the tools we used. So now we're gonna try it. We're gonna make it to the gas station. If you are fortunate to have a pump with you, you can use the pump. You can use even a simple hand pump to pump up like a basketball or a football.
Oh yeah.
Just jack the car up first, so there's no pressure.
You pump up.
Yeah. Yeah, all right, turn it off. All right, now we're gonna go probably to a real service station to get it filled up. Now I could have jacked the car up, but I didn't want to get my jack out.